10 animals that lived on Earth 5 million years ago. 1. Smilodon, saber-toothed cat. Smilodon, also known as the saber-toothed tiger, was one of the most iconic prehistoric predators. It had large, curved canine teeth and powerful forelimbs to grapple with prey. Although often associated with the Ice Age, its ancestors first appeared in the Pleistocene. 2. Australopithecus afarensis. Not an animal in the traditional sense, but a very important species. This early hominin is believed to be one of the direct ancestors of modern humans. Lucy, one of the most famous fossil finds, belonged to this species. 3. Megalodon. Though likely extinct by the end of the Pleistocene, this massive shark could grow up to 60 feet long. It ruled the oceans and fed on whales and other large marine creatures. 4. Gomphothere. A cousin of the elephant, Gomphotheres had 4 tusks and were widespread across Africa, Asia, and the Americas. They resembled modern elephants but had distinct skull and jaw structures. 5. Macrauchenia. This South American herbivore had a camel-like body with a long neck and possibly a trunk-like nose.
This South American herbivore had a camel-like body with a long neck and possibly a trunk-like nose.
6.
An extinct relative of modern giraffes,
one of the largest land mammals ever. This hornless rhino relative stood up to 16 feet tall at the shoulder and could weigh over 15 tons. It likely fed on soft leaves from tall trees.
One of the largest
7.
land mammals ever. This hornless rhino relative stood up to 16
prehistoric
feet tall at the
dogs. Epicene looked more like a bear than a modern dog. It was a powerful predator,
one of the largest land mammals ever. This hornless rhino relative stood up to 16 feet tall at the
8.
shoulder.
Civatherium, an extinct relative of modern giraffes. Civatherium had short necks, moose-like antlers, and a heavy build. Fossils show it was widespread across Africa and Asia. 9. Thylacoleo, also called the marsupial lion. This predator lived in Australia and had extremely powerful jaws. Though marsupial, it filled a similar ecological niche to big cats. 10. Glyptodon, a giant armored mammal related to modern armadillos.
Relative of modern
Glyptodon
giraffes.
had a
Civatherium
dome-shaped
had short
shell
necks,
and could
moose-like
weigh over
antlers, and a
2,000
heavy build.
pounds. It used its tail as a club for defense against predators. Conclusion. These 10 creatures provide a fascinating glimpse into life on Earth 5 million years
also
ago.
Called the marsupial lion.
Some are
predator lived in
direct
Australia and had
ancestors of
extremely powerful
animals
jaws.
today, while others are evolutionary dead ends with no living relatives. The Pleistocene epoch was a time of transformation and adaptation, setting the stage for the Ice Age and the eventual rise
a
of
giant armored mammal
sapiens.
related to modern armadillos. Glyptodon had a dome-shaped